The Technician Dealer Program is an opportunity for our different dealers around North America to nominate who they think their top technician is.
Technician of the Year is very important, not just for the technician himself who's been nominated, but it's also for the dealership. The dealership is being recognized as investing in the technicians at that dealership so that they have top technicians.
This is an opportunity to bring all these technicians across North America and kind of put them into some real world scenarios.
This is different than coming to a training. When you come to a training, it's very structured classroom stuff. This is you digging right in and doing basically your daily job just in a controlled environment. In the field, you've got to be one problem. In some of these machines, there's 3 or 4 problems that are very confusing then because they're counterintuitive. But these guys are methodically working through it and really figuring it out.
Whenever I heard of Technician of the Year, it excited me because that's not a position within a dealership that's oftentimes glorified, right? So I think it boosts morale. To say I'm proud, to say that I've got someone within my organization that I want to sponsor, that I want to show off.
We need to be doing things like Technician of the Year to attract that younger generation to come in, because it's not just trying to draw the technician from the neighbouring dealer. We also start having to get the younger generation wanting to be in this field. In the past, a technician was seen as that dirty job that didn't get paid very well. What a mechanic was 30 years ago is not the same as what a technician is in today's world.
It is something to be proud of. I'm not just turning wrenches, right? I am a technician, and I'm helping solve problems.
The technician's kind of the first line of contact, right? So when the customer's machine is down, they get a phone call to come fix the machine. The technician's the first one to respond. They're the initial point of contact for the farmer first.
For the technicians, they've always been farmer first, because they're out there, they see that the machine is broken. The farmer can't feed his cows, the farmer can't harvest his crop. So they've always been very close to the farmer. But farmer first at AGCO level was about getting everyone to think that way. Am I doing this for the right reasons? Is it going to improve AGCO, or is it going to be the right thing for the farmer?
If we look at what customers, why they stay or why they go, oftentimes it's parts and service. A good technician can make or break whether or not a person is up and going, and that's their livelihood.
Regardless of whoever wins, I hope that all these technicians can take back a little more in-depth troubleshooting skill, and also to sometimes take a step back and not overthink the problem. Maybe it's something a little bit simpler that they need to repair.
So the real value of being here and being one of the Technicians of the Year, it's not going home with the final prize and being crowned the champion. It's building that relationship with your other peers. Some love working on balers, some dislike working on balers. But just knowing that person that loves balers, if you're sent to one, you could reach out to that person and they could probably tell you, oh, just do this. So that's really valuable.
I would hope that at the end of the day, the technicians learned how to work better with different people. So whether it's asking another technician for help, whether it's asking one of us for help, and if they're going to ask us, like, what kind of questions should they be asking us? So at the end of the day, it's a more streamlined process so we can give them a better answer the first time to get that customer up and running.